Have you enrolled yourself to a school? What consideration you have? Is it because of its facilities, because of the teachers, or because of the connection? Here at Sekolah Kristen Ketapang Cibubur, we overview not only those things, but also character building and important values that help you reach your future. Our school teaches the students to be resilient, have strong leadership, be creative, lifelong learning, and devoted to God every day. We start our day by having devotion together as staffs and teachers. We believe that by putting God first, we can help our students to be a better people. For our students, we have devotion every morning and also shepherding every week as their guidance in their faith. We teach our students that faith and science can go together, and learning both can help them more in their lives. In order to help them grow mentally, we have professionals, caring teachers, and counselors that can assist our students in handling their life's problems. We encourage them to tell their problem to our teachers and counselors so that we can try to be close to our students and guide them in every stage of their lives. Integrity is one value that we consider it as important. We encourage our students to always do the test honestly. We strongly believe that being honest is more important than their grades, and we value their integrity over their grades. We stimulate our students to be cooperative and think critically by asking them to have group projects. We believe that by giving them projects, it will support them to have critical thinking and build their relationship with their surroundings. We also reassure our students' creativity by having music lessons. We provide our students with adequate music instruments. We also give them space to perform their music skill when we have our chapel. Providing fun activities is also our important point. We provide them with hands-on activities vary from every lesson that we have. Students will learn better when they experience it by themselves, better than we give them a lecture about the lessons. We teach our students that they can get knowledge from everywhere. Therefore, we provide them with good quality books. We make them familiar with books so they have good literacy skills that help them to become lifelong learners. Come and join us at Sekolah Kristen Ketapang 3 Cibubur.